Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So the papers were released yesterday across all tiers, and I thought I would do a flip through so that you can see what the papers are and what the all the elements are for each tier. They are available if you want to buy them individually. You can do that. I've recently just reduced all of the prices and kept them, all of the digital downloads are all the same price in the shop, so you can take a look. If there's one that you want to get as a one-off, then you're quite welcome to do that. Or, you know, if you're on that particular tier, you get all of the papers on that tier and whatever is underneath in the lower tiers. Okay, so let's look at the free papers. So these will be available until the end of February. The 28th, there's 28 days this month. And I'll probably just take it over to the 1st, and on the 1st it becomes the 1st of March. This one is then a paid digital download, yeah? So make sure that if you haven't yet downloaded it, you do so that you can access the images and do something with them. I'd love to see what you do with them. So I'm just going to do a flip through. I'm not going to talk through them. When I come to the next one, then I'll say what that is, but I'll just flip through so that you can see all the papers. So for the free papers, I'd recently added additional elements. So that's what you originally got for the free papers. So I've added some just additional ones, elements that you can use in your mixed media art. Yeah. But yeah, I really enjoy creating them and all the layers that you get when they're being made. Okay, so this is the $3 tier. We've got florals and watercolors. These ones have got a couple of tags, elements less, and as I said, I've put extra in the free tier, and you know, you can always, if there's an element that you particularly like, you can recreate that and use one of the tags to do that as well, to add to it. So I really like the I like all my papers, and I love being able to use them, the colours, and being able to use them, adapt them, focus on a particular element, or you can recreate that. You can see a page and say, oh, I really like the way she's done this flower here, let me try and recreate this, yeah? Or let me cut this out and use it. Even if it's the front page, you can still cut out some of these elements and use them in your projects. Yeah? Gorgeous. Okay. So that's the $3 tier. Okay, so let's move to the $10 tier. And again, we've got kind of watercolor shapes and figures. All of them, apart from the geometric designs, will have figures in them. And these two have the black and white version as well. And lots of shapes that you can cut out and use in your projects as is, or you can add to them. Add some marks on there, add some, you know, shapes. So these were the ones that were originally in the $3 tier, but as I say, they're quite easy to recreate if you want. And I think this one was one as well. Yeah, and we end with the bookmark. I love doing the bookmarks and putting them whole in my art journals, and it's just an encouragement and a reminder. So here's another look at the $10 tier images, ephemera, shapes, tags, circles. And as I say, they're available in the shop, and they're all the same price, $4.50. Here's the $15 tier papers. These are all inspired by nature and they're done in a geometric design. Yeah, so lots of variety of shapes that you can use. I like making mini journals, and we're going to be doing some other projects with these papers this month. Okay, some of mine at the bottom have been cut off slightly. But yeah, some interesting shapes that you can adapt, that you can use in your creative projects. You can use as a background, you can use as collage. You know, you can work on this. What I like doing is seeing what faces. I can even see a face in here, or the shape of a head, the neck, you know, so you can do there's many different things with each of them. Okay, so $15 tier, $10 tier, $3 tier, and the free tier, all available this month for you to work with, create with in your art journals or creative projects. Tag me at realityarts if you use them on Instagram, and if you're on here on Patreon, then I'd love to see, you know, what you get up to, how you use them in your projects. Okay, so look forward to seeing you soon. Take care for now.